Hello guys, welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this earbuds Soundcore P3. So this one has specifically 50 hours of playtime. That's pretty amazing, and very good bass and active noise cancellation, bass up technology, and it does have this 11mm drivers, which is very big diaphragm, and it does have wireless charging and water resistant. And these are the items in the book. We have the application, Soundcore application to download. This is how it looks like from the outside. And yeah, now let's go ahead and unbox this one. All right. Guys, I'm always using cutleries to unbox this rather than using a knife. I prefer this one because I see it's like less sharp, so I think it's much better. So now let's go and unbox this. Okay, we have to take this out to unbox. I was trying to keep the polythene intact, but we have to take this. Okay, it's like this. So I'm going to take the camera, and yeah, this is how I'm going to unbox this one. Let's see how it comes when I take this out. All right, guys, this is how it looks like. I shook this a little bit, so that's why it looks like this. So this is how it looks like once you open the box, and this is the accessories box. Let's see what's inside. Alright, let's see what's inside of this one. Open from here. Inside of this box we have these ear tips and the charging cable to charge. Alright, so this is how it looks like. These are the tips, and I think they don't have any manual here. And okay, let's take this out now and see how does it look like. So we have a cover of polythene to take away. Right, let's take this out. And here this is this USB port is like open. This is not sealed. So, and when I'm opening this one, these three lights started indicating. And yeah, this is the earphone, and it said it's wireless. It does have wireless charging, so like I want to check if it is charging wirelessly first of all. And now first of all I'm going to remove these stickers over here with this one. See, you can see that, right? I'll take that off, keep it here, and put this back, and take this out, remove the sticker. Yeah, guys, this is how this one looks like. Hope you guys can see this clearly. You see, right? So this is how it does look like. Maybe you can't see, there's one hole here, and yep, they are saying that it just have 3 holes actually, but I don't know where are they. So now I'm going to do the wireless charging for this one. Let's go and see how does it work. This is my wireless charger, Anker charger itself. So I'm keeping it on here. I need to connect this one here. This is also an Anker charger, guys. I have done the video of this one for you. Alright, the charger is on. Let's see if this works. Oh, nice. You see, it's being charged. Alright. This is how does it charge via wirelessly. Pretty nice, right? So that's how it is. So now what I'm going to do is to open the application, and I'm going to pair. For that I'm going to screen record the phone and attach to this video. So I'll see you guys in the screen recording. Now we are going to Bluetooth settings, and I'm like turning on the lid of the earbuds, and after some time it will show up Soundcore P3. So I'm going to connect it. Connected. Now I'm going to Soundcore application and going to the home. In home we click add devices and earphones. Then after some time it will detect P3. Just click on it. Then you will be going into the main dashboard. It does have this ambient sound, gaming mode, equalizer, and superior sleep, and those options. So I'm now opening this ambient sound modes. There are different options: transparency, noise cancellation. You can choose as per your requirement, and it's not like fully 100% ANC, but it's worth for the price that I have paid. Now I got a firmware update for this. Now I'm going to update this one. It's gonna take a while, so I'll skip this video and join once the update is complete. It's a nice thing that they are providing updates for these earbuds. It took around 5 minutes to complete the update. Actually, once the update is complete, it's going to restart. After the restart, this will come back to the dashboard again. Now we are back in the dashboard. There's an option called gaming mode, which has low latency, very good for gaming, and also it does have this custom equalizer. You can adjust the volume as per your requirement, and there are many more options like sleep mode and everything. You can explore those things, and if you have any problem with what are the options this one having, just let me know. And also you can customize the controls of these earbuds with like single tap, double tap, and hold for 2 seconds. You can control accordingly, like for each earbud, like left and right, up to you can control up to 6 options. So if you guys have any problem with this earbud, just let me know. I'm going to use this for a while, and see you guys in another video. Peace out. Bye.